Good morning. I am Daniel, a student of Multi-Platform Application Design, and today I am going to teach you how to register on the best-known sales website in Spain, Wallapop. First, in your preferred search engine, we will look for Wallapop. Next, we click on the first link, which is the official Wallapop website. Once on the page, in the upper right margin, we have a button that will direct us to the registry. A small screen will appear with the options shown in the image. We will click with our mouse on register, although if you have a Facebook or Google account, you can access through them. We will continue filling in the information request past the following screen. In order, we will enter the name and surname after the email address. And finally, we will choose a password. The more complex, the better to ensure the security of our account. We are finishing. Now we will see a screen like the one I showed in the video. This informs us that we will have received an email to verify the account. Now we will go to our email, confirm that the email has arrived, and click on the verify button. Then you will be redirected to the Wallapop page again, and a message will appear confirming the validation of our account. After this, we can already log in and use Wallapop as one more user. Thank you for the attention, and I hope you have served this video tutorial. Greetings to all, and see you soon.